I suggest that anybody who wants to trade full-time has at least. What's good, Snake Gang? Welcome back to another video on the channel. This is gonna be a very serious video. No fucking jokes. I'm not making jokes. I'm not making you laugh today. We're gonna get serious. We're gonna get down to the nitty gritty. How I became a full-time Forex trader, trading Forex full-time from my house, from my home, making money, making dough. And how I became one of the biggest rappers to ever do it. What I want to get into today is a very highly requested video. You guys have wanted this video forever. I've always get messages about doing this type of video, talking about how you became a full-time trader, how much money you had, where you came from, your little story, all that good shit. You guys have always asked for it, so here it is. It's here. It's time. Let's do it. Before I get into this story, plus how to do it, how I did it, and all that good shit, hit the like button. I'm being dead ass. Hit the like button, because I'm not playing no more. I'm tired of you guys watching this shit, not hitting the like button, being disrespectful, doing it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn my chair. Once you hit that like button, I'll turn around, we can continue. Go ahead and hit that like button. Cool. Like button has been smashed. We can get into the video. I don't wanna bore you guys. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, do so right now. I'm about to hit 100,000 followers, and when I do that, it's gonna be a huge giveaway, so go down below. Hit the link to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and let's get into it, man. Let's roll the intro. I don't have an intro. My fault. Let's just get into the video. I don't even have an intro, man. It all started when I was 16 years old. A lot of you guys know the story, but I'm gonna break it down really fast. I was 16 years old, just turned 16. One of my friends hit me up. He said, you know, God came to me last night and he told me to help people out, and I just want to give back, and yeah. And I said, bro, get the fuck on with it. What are you on about? Like, can you just tell me? Because this dude was talking about all kinds of shit for like hours before he would tell me what's going on, right? Sends me a link to IM Academy, and I said, okay, this looks cool. He starts talking about trading. He shows me his results, right? Of course, they were demo, but he shows me his results. Made $1,000 this week, and I'm like, yo, that's crazy. 1,000, that's like insane money to me at the time, especially at 16 years old when I was making about negative $500 a month. And I said, wow, okay, let's look into this. And I looked into it. He showed me some more charts. He said it's very easy. He learned it overnight, blah, 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 that bullshit you hear. But it's a $290 startup fee. I didn't have the money at the time, so I went out, I robbed a couple people, and I got the money, and then I ended up getting the actual course, the IM Academy shit, the program. Did not rob nobody, so don't take that out of context. Don't even like do a little screen recording of that one part and make me look stupid, because I didn't rob nobody for it. But I ended up actually getting IM Academy. I learned a little bit, and I kind of just practiced and started trading, and to nobody's surprise, I was very unsuccessful and I lost a lot of money. And I said, hey bro, what's going on? He said, look bro, take a break from trading. I got something different for you, okay? Let's go recruit. And I said, recruit? What the fuck is you talking about, bro? Bro comes to my house in a fucking suit, right? Mind you, we're 16 years old. Comes to my house in a suit, right? He's got these slacks on and these fancy ass shoes. He said, let's go to the mall. I said, I'm gonna just go see what this is about, but this is ridiculous. We went to the mall, and bro was going in the store saying, do you like your job? And I'm just sitting there like, what the fuck is going on? He said, do you like your job? And these guys were like, yeah, I like my job. And he's like, how much are you making? Right? And I'm like, what the fuck is this guy doing right now? And he's like, bro, I got an opportunity for you. And at this point, I'm done. Like, I just want to go home. And he's recruiting these guys, and he's asking them to sign up. And these dudes are all denying him. No, I'm good. And we end up leaving. He gets 0 recruits. But he says, look, bro, if I would have got 3 recruits today, I would have made 150 bucks, okay? Consistently, every single month, as long as they stay signed up and all this crazy shit. And I'm like, bro, I'm done. Like, at this point, I'm losing money trading. You're telling me all this bullshit. You're embarrassing yourself. You're embarrassing me at the mall. I'm done. Like, I'm going home. I quit. I'm done with Forex. And that was it for me. I stopped trading Forex for like 6 or 7 months. You know, 6 or 7 months go by, and I'm you know, doing dumb shit. I'm selling illegal substances, doing shit to make money on the side and all that good shit, whatever the case may be. But I'm making money, and I'm doing as much as I can, right? I realize this is not enough. I'm not making enough money to survive. And there's one thing I remember is that Forex, although I really lost a lot of money trading it, there was nights where I did make 100 bucks, or I did make $300 for the week. I was positive, but then I blew it, but I did do it, right? It was possible for me to withdraw that money. It was real. Once I started realizing that, I said, okay, so you can do it, like you can make money, but you just gotta learn to do it. You have to just put in the time, put in the hours. So I said, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try my hardest. Went back to the drawing board, and I studied Forex so much every day. Like literally, I stayed up till like 4 a.m. every morning studying, back testing, looking at charts, looking at patterns, seeing why is the market moving the way it's moving? Why is it doing this? Why it's doing that? To the point where I literally went insane. Like I was literally eat, sleep, and breathing charts. Like that's all I would do is think about charts, and that's all I could do. So, you know, time went on and I practiced and practiced, and I still was losing a little bit, but I was getting better. I was making more money, having more higher percentage wins on the account each month, right? So I started making maybe 25% a month on my account, and I realized, hey, okay, I'm winning. I have a good strategy, it's working. What do I need to do from here? And that's when I realized I need more capital. If I'm gaining 25% on my account every month and it's only a $3,000 account, it's not enough to survive. I don't know where you guys live, but where I live, $1,200 a month will get you a studio apartment if you're lucky. I mean, I don't know. If you're not in Alabama, then you're not gonna get very nice properties for anything less than $4,000 a month. So I realized I needed to get my money up. I needed to gain more on my account, and I said, you know, I need to have a goal, okay? Let me just try to get to a $10,000 account by the time I'm 18. And mind you, it's been 6 or 7 months, I was failing, so I'm probably about 17 years old now, and I'm like, okay, I need to get to a $10,000 account. Before you guys say anything, I was not trading legally. Yes, I know. Holy shit, oh my God, he was underage trading. I'm sorry, I don't know what to say. I mean, I'm sorry. I was trading in someone else's, really just drool? I was trading in someone else's name. I mean, it is what it is. You know, I was young and I was just kind of just having them input trades, and I was just, however you want to say it, trading in someone else's name. So I need to get my account to $10,000, okay? If I can't get my account to $10,000, then how am I gonna make $2,500 a month or whatever I wanted to make at the time? It's just not gonna be possible, okay? So I finally, you know, after another 4 or 5 months go by, I slowly compound this account to $10,000. I'm taking trading profits plus money from real life situations that I'm making money on the side, doing other stuff. I'm actually taking that money and putting it into the account as well until I'm at a $10,000 account. That's what I wanted to do, and that's kind of where I went with it. By the time I'm making $10,000, I'm probably gaining 30–40% on the account. So I'm making about $3,000 to $4,000 a month now at this point. I call this kind of the stage where I started to trade full time because I didn't need to really rely on other stuff to make money. But you know, I have little jobs, whatever the case may be, so I can't really consider it full-time trading wholeheartedly yet, but it's gonna be very soon, okay? $3,000 to $4,000 a month is great, but I still need more. I wanna make $10,000 a month, okay? Compound that account up even more, I can compound it way faster. In 2 months, I can get it to 20,000 plus, right? So I compounded up, now we're looking at a $30,000, $40,000 account. There's actually a video on my Instagram from when I had my account. I think it was $40-something thousand. I think it was a $40,000 account, I can't remember, but $40,000 on the account. Okay, that's what I had. You know, time goes by, and like I said, $40,000, $50,000 account is what I have. So now I'm making anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 a month. Now this is full time, okay? This is by the time I reach 19 years old, full-time trading. Now here's where things get a little crazy, okay? And I know not everybody's gonna be in the situation that I was in, but I'm gonna break down how I was able to start making 6 figures a month trading really full time. So I opened up my first course, okay? I'm not ashamed of it. A lot of people will not admit stuff like this, but I will. I'm making $10,000 a month. I opened up my first course and I started teaching people how to trade. And I do it successfully. I have a lot of students who are, you know, made a lot of money in my first course too. So, you know, I wasn't scamming people or doing anything shady. I just barely started to really make a lot of money, and then I started to teach. So when I started to teach, I started to make a lot of money teaching. So teaching's bringing in good money, trading's bringing in good money. I have a lot of money coming in from all these different places now, Forex related. That's gonna bring me in a lot of money. A lot of people don't like that. Why would you teach? You're already making money trading, but I want more money. I need more money. I have a lot of kids. I need more fucking money, okay? $10,000 a month is not enough. I need more. So I'm gonna teach. At 19 years old, I got my Camaro, right? And I got the Camaro before I started teaching, by the way. So I bought my Camaro, $10,000 cash down, whatever the monthly was. Got the Camaro, flexed a little bit, started teaching people. Okay, that's when I started to become MambaFx, started to get a little bit more famous. Started teaching people, started making good money doing that. But guess what I did with that money that I'm getting from teaching people? I took that money and I put it into my account. And I had even a bigger account. So now if I'm getting 40% on this $200,000 account, I'm making close to 80 grand a month. Do you see what I'm saying? So yes, I was very fortunate to have other sources of income coming in that were getting me a lot of money to get even bigger accounts to where now I have my, you know, maybe a seven, I don't like to say numbers, but 7-figure accounts that are bringing me in, you know, $200,000 a month or whatever the case may be on a good or bad month. So yes, I had a way to make a lot of extra money on the side while already bringing in $10,000 a month. But like I said, I'm trading full time, $10,000 a month minimum, sometimes 6 or 7 depending on the bad or good months, but at least $10,000 a month, pretty much minimum, every single month full time before I even start teaching anybody. That's my story, and that's my full time trading story, or that's like when I started to trade full time. And like I said, I didn't have to teach. $10,000 a month would have been sustainable, but I wanted more, okay? And I could have continued to compound that account up and continue to do the same thing over and over again until I'm making even more. But I had a shortcut. From the 10K mark to the 80K a month mark, I had a quick shortcut that a lot of people will not have. So if you get to that 10K mark, you're gonna have to go a little slower and you're gonna have to go different routes, but you can still do it. And that's what I'm trying to tell you guys is it's very possible to do so. It's not impossible at all. It's very possible, very, very possible. That's all I wanna break down for you guys today, man. You can do it. We can all do it. It's very, very possible to do. Of course, I had that little 10K to 80K shortcut, but I got to that 10,000 with hard work, perseverance, some type of variance. I had something good. I did something good, okay? I worked hard and I never gave up. That's what it was. And at the end of the day, I was able to make $10,000 to $15,000 a month with no help, just all by myself, working really hard and just putting in the hours and the time. Of course, it took me 3 years to be successful, 3 hard years that I'll never get back, but it was so worth it now. Look at my house, look at my cars, look at my lifestyle, just because I put in hard work, dedication. You guys can get it too. It's not that hard, okay? With that being said, man, if you're gaining 15 to 20% on your account and you wanna make $1,500, $2,000 a month to survive, whatever the case may be, well then you need a $10,000 account. If you're able to gain 30 to 40% on your account, well then a 10K account is gonna get you $3,000 to $4,000 a month. It's that simple, it's easy math. I suggest that anybody who wants to trade full-time has at least a $10,000 account. You're not gonna get there like that. Nobody just has $10,000 sitting in their bank, okay? You're gonna go slow, you're gonna work hard, and you're gonna do what you have to do. My best tip to you is download the Clarity Forex app. It's in the description, it's free. I break down trades every fucking day for free. Don't charge you a penny, and it's free. So just download the Clarity app. It's gonna help you guys out a lot. So just a little mentor help, okay? With that being said, man, I appreciate you guys for coming along for this story. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it helped you guys out a little bit to understand that it's not something that's easy. It takes time. It's not something that happens overnight. It takes, let's see, 3 years, so that's about 900 nights. So it takes about 900 to 1,000 nights to get there, for me. Everybody's different. Not everyone had the Clarity Forex app, which is in the description. But man, follow my Instagram, subscribe to the channel, like this video. I love you guys. If you guys want more videos, story times, whatever you guys want, let me know down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, I love you guys. I'll pray for you guys, and I know you guys can get it. I promise you, you can. Just work really hard, man.